Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the VWAP Bands Indicator. If you want to identify key support and resistance levels, understand fair value and execute smarter trades, then this tool is exactly what you need, okay? Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more expert trading strategies, okay? I'm going to add the VWAP bands indicator to the charts right away. Okay. All right. So here we go. Here we go. So what exactly is the VWAP bands indicator? Well, as you can see, this indicator is similar to moving averages and Bollinger bands, but with a key difference. It gives more weight to volume. Okay, so this means it reacts more accurately during high volume trading sessions and provides a clearer picture of true market conditions. Now, in case if this is not clear enough, let me just make the lines thicker. All right, let's just make the lines thicker in case if it is not clear enough. Let me change the color of this to make it visible. Okay, just to make it, I just want to be sure that you can see the the indicator clearly. Just want to be sure about that. All right. Okay, I just want to be sure that you can see it clearly, okay? So as you can see, the VWAP bands indicator consists of a midline, right? A midline which represents the volume weighted average price, which is the fair value of the asset that you're trading, okay? Then you can see that it also has upper and lower bands, which are calculated using standard deviation from the VWAP line. The idea behind this is simple, yeah? Price naturally gravitates toward the VWAP line. So when it moves to the upper or lower bands, traders can look for buying and selling opportunities. Okay, it's pretty simple, yeah? It's quite easy. All right. Now there are two key strategies for trading with the VWAP bands indicator. The first strategy is to buy low and sell high. All right. The best buy zone is at the lower extreme band. The lower extreme band is the best buy zone. All right. As price is undervalued when it gets to that zone. Okay, so currently we have a good buy zone right now. We have a good buy zone. Then the best sell zone is at the upper extreme band as price is overextended. So you can see we had a good sell zone around here. Traders can hold their positions until price reaches the opposite band or wait for price action confirmations to exit. So had it been we had entered a sell at this point, you can wait for price to get to the extreme lower band and show signs of reversal. So in that case, probably we would have exited around here. The reason is that you can see that as this bullish candle surpassed the bearish, in fact, probably you wouldn't have to wait for the candle to close because you can see this is a bullish engulfing. And bullish engulfing, obviously, is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, right? So if we had entered a sell around here, in my opinion, this would have been a good time to exit because of this pattern, right? But once we got a confirmation a sell confirmation, then probably would have considered entering another sell and then waiting for another sign to exit again. All right. Then in the case of a buy trade, if you are going to enter a buy here, you can just wait for price to get to the extreme upper level, and when it shows a sign of a sell reversal, you can exit your buy trade. Okay, so it's pretty simple. All right. Now the second strategy is the candlestick confirmation. To improve trade accuracy, traders should combine the VWAP bands with price action. Okay, if price reaches the lower band, just look for a bullish candlestick pattern. All right, you can look for anyone you can find, whether it's a hammer or a pin bar or bullish engulfing. That's going to give you your buy signal, but just ensure that you get a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, then if price reaches the upper band, you look for a bearish candlestick pattern. Could be a shooting star, a bearish engulfing, or even a doji. All right, for your sell signal. Now let us look at what happened here. You can see that we had kind of an evening star, kind of, because of this and this, although this one had a long week and this, but then it shows that the bearish momentum was kind of getting strong. So after this, probably would have considered entering a sell because of the pattern, right? And then of course we can just wait for a bullish pattern before we exit our sell. So this would have been a good place to exit again because of this bullish engulfing. Okay, now this indicator is versatile and works across multiple trading strategies. For beginners, it can help you understand fair value pricing and trade with confidence. If you're an advanced trader, you can actually apply this indicator to higher time frames using a top-down approach. All right. For intraday traders, it can help you create a real-time price profile. And for swing traders, of course, it can help you identify longer-term support and resistance levels, because you know that the extreme levels of these bands can serve as support and resistance levels. Okay, so basically the VWAP Bands Indicator is an effective tool that you might want to consider adding to your trading toolkit. It helps identify fair value pricing, works on all time frames, enhances support and resistance analysis, and it's quite a good indicator for intraday and swing traders. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more expert Forex strategies. Drop a comment below. Do you use VWAP bands in your trading? Let us talk strategies in the comments. Until next time, happy trading.